In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to buy a domain from Namecheap in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Buying a domain is one of the first steps toward building a website, and Namecheap is known for affordable pricing and reliable service. This guide also shows how to take advantage of discounts and make sure you get the best possible deal when purchasing your domain. To begin, open Namecheap through a referral link or promotional link. Going directly to the homepage may not always display the best offers, so entering through a shared link can often unlock extra discounts. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can type in the domain you want. Enter the name you're looking for and run the search. The results will immediately show whether the domain is available. If you see a checkmark and an option to add the domain to your cart, that means it is available for purchase. If the option doesn't appear, then the domain has already been taken. When that happens, try searching for a different name or consider one of the suggested alternatives displayed below. Namecheap often recommends similar names with extensions like .net, .org, .co, .info, and others. These variations can sometimes work better depending on your goals. Once you've found the domain you want, click the button to add it to your cart. After that, move to the checkout page to review your purchase details. You'll see your selected domain, its price, and the duration of registration. Domains are typically purchased for 1 year by default, but you can choose multiple years if you prefer. Registering for several years at once can lock in today's lower pricing and save you money as domain prices can increase over time. Namecheap also has an auto-renew feature. When enabled, it will automatically extend your domain each year before it expires. If you don't want to risk losing the domain because you forgot to renew it manually, turning this option on is a smart choice. Without auto-renew, anyone could potentially buy your domain once it expires. Another important setting on the checkout page is domain privacy protection. Every domain must be registered with real personal information, and without privacy protection, your details, such as your full name, phone number, and address, become visible in the public WHUI's directory. Namecheap offers domain privacy for free, which hides your data and replaces it with generic contact information to protect your privacy. It's recommended to keep this setting enabled. Scrolling further, you may see optional add-ons like email services, hosting, or security tools. These can be purchased if needed, but if you only want the domain, you can ignore them. You can always add additional services later. Namecheap also allows promo codes for extra discounts. To use one, you must be logged into your Namecheap account. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one by filling in your email address and a password. Once your account is set up, return to the cart, enter the available promo code, and apply it. You'll see the discount reflected instantly. After confirming your order, Namecheap will ask for your billing information. You can pay using a credit card, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency, depending on what is most convenient for you. After the payment is processed, your domain is officially yours and ready to be connected to any website or hosting service you plan to use. This process is straightforward once you understand each step, and Namecheap keeps everything clear and easy to follow. With your new domain registered, you're one step closer to getting your online presence fully set up.